Here are 3 websites that will pay you side income online just for entering data for other companies. Literally anybody can do this and you don't need any skills. The first one is called Fiverr. This is a very big freelance website. Head over to the right side on the business tab and you can see data entry right there. The next website is called freelancer.com. This is also a very big website. Head over to buy skill and then you can see the data entry jobs right there. And the third website is called peopleperhour.com. Head over to the business tab and data entry will be under administrative assistance. So as you can see, it's not difficult to find some great data entry jobs where you can start generating some side income, literally doing it from anywhere in the world 100% from home. But entering data on a daily basis, which will take hours and hours and hours, might not be something that you want to do. If you want to learn exactly how I generate 5 figures a month using leverage and software 100% online, then go ahead and just follow me on my channel. I'm going to show you my strategies step by step and click on the link in the description so that you can get access to my free training. See you soon.